Hello guys, welcome back today. So I actually had to record this video multiple times, but but at least I'm recording it again and it's successful this time. So pixel art. It looks amazing, but there's complex pixel art that may take a long time, like you're in bitmap, of course, and for example, maybe you're just drawing something complex, so you would zoom in, maybe like this far, and it's not easy, right? So, but I have a solution to that, and it's actually pretty easy, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so first you need to be in your project, and you need to be in vector. So let's choose a basic color to use, and then set it to the color you want, and then go ahead and I ruined it. Let's see, shape. Oh, why do I keep ruining it? So carefully go and draw your shape, and then so I'm trying to make a ground, like the kind of ground you see. So let's move it to the back layer next, and then let's copy it, and then let's turn the next one up, and then so yeah, that looks good. So then convert it to bitmap. Well, I think I did something wrong. Let's move it down a bit. Okay, yeah, that looks much better. So that still doesn't look like pixel yet, but we can shrink it and size it back up and then move it down here. Um, and then yes, then you've got some pixel art over there. So one thing to take note is that you can't do this with characters. Like if you're making a pixel character, you can't do this because it'll look completely ugly. So, but yes, this is it. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.